Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel. It's been a while na hindi ako nag-voice over sa vlog ko. So, this episode, me and my husband, we went to nursery para bumili ng plants to have some little garden to our yard. Actually, medyo late na nga dito para magtanim ng garden. Usually, by May, dapat nakapagtanim ka na like tomato, cucumber, all that stuff. Since nakabalik kami from Philippines June 1st, kaya late na. Anyway, my husband still wanted to plant so it's okay. Normally, kapag pa-summer, bumibili talaga ako ng hanging plants and flowers. But nung makita ko ang price, my goodness, super mahal, na unlike before, medyo mura. Maybe because of the crisis situation as well. So kaya ang lola nyo, nagbidyo-bidyo na lang at nagtingin-tingin dito sa mga vase at saka dun sa plants. Kasi hindi siya worth it bumili ng ganong klaseng plants na ang price mahal. Because in a few months, magpo-fall season na, so malalanta rin naman. So ayun, it's not really worth it. Pero kung meron ka din namang budget, why not? Go for it. Bumili ka. Kasi magaganda rin naman talaga yung mga hanging plants.
You got 9 points. Get to 100 points, you get $5 off. 966.
Honey, leave. Bring the card here.
Semper Fi? Are you Semper Fi?
Yes, ma'am. I'm always faithful. That's why I know a lot about Asia, because I've been over there a lot. They got a couple houses over there. It's a rice farm. On the other side.
Is that for your garden?
Mm-hmm. Nice tomatoes. Early girls.
Yeah. So ayan na nga. Dito tinanim ng asawa ko yung plants niya na ang tawag is early girl. Ang ibig sabihin pala nun is tomato. Akalain nyo, meron palang ganyang tawag, early girl, but it's only tomato. So my husband been busy doing some yard work. So he's been like really busy lately. Kasi ganito talaga dito sa US. Kailangan yung yard mo laging nakaputol at hindi siya mahaba or else the city will catch you. So this time I will be making chicken salad. Usually pag dito ako sa US, yung mga meat naman dito is malilinis, but nasa sayo lang din yun kung if you wanted to wash or hindi na. Like I said, malinis naman din talaga yung mga meat nila. And one thing na gusto ko yung mga Amish brand, kasi mga organic and natural ang ano ng mga Amish, mga product nila. Especially yung mga produce nila, mga vegetable. Bukod sa mura, talagang ano siya, yung healthy siya. Yung walang siyang mga halo na mga chemicals and all that stuff. At saka, I don't know, gustong-gusto ko lang talaga pag andito ako sa US, gustong-gusto ko lang bumili ng anything product na came from Amish. So, I will be making chicken salad. Normally, I'm frying my chicken or I bake it. But this time, I will be baking my chicken for the salad. So, but first, I will marinate it for at least an hour. I usually put 1 tablespoon of olive oil, soy sauce, sesame oil, paprika, garlic powder, and black ground pepper. So, kapag binibake ko yung chicken ko, pinipreheat ko muna yung oven into like 380 degree. And then, I will cook my chicken for at least 45 minutes. So, I will be making homemade dressing for my salad. Normally, here's my ingredients. I usually put 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, rice vinegar, honey, ground black pepper, and usually I put a little bit of sesame oil. So sometimes it depends on my mood when I made chicken salad, if I want like a homemade dressing, or sometimes I'm just buying that is already made dressing. I normally like the Caesar dressing. Those are always like too. So after you mix all the ingredients, you can squeeze some lemon, and then if your sauce is kind of like thick, you can add 1 tablespoon of another olive oil, and then you can just mix it up. So, kapag naluto na yung chicken, you just let it cool it down for a few minutes. And then, after that, you can just go slice it. So, pasensya na po kayo sa noise background. Kasi normally talaga pag nagbablog ako, usually yung asawa ko, hindi yan siya nanonood ng TV. And this time, hindi niya alam na nagbablog ako. So, that's okay. Ayan, so pag nagsasalad ako, bumibili ako ng spring mix. Yung spring mix, combination na siya ng arugula, spinach, and crisp lettuce. So, and naka-thoroughly wash naman na siya. So, ready na siya. So, yun na nga lang talaga ang gagawin mo, yung meat. Like, if you want a chicken breast, or if you want some shrimp, you can put anything on your salad. And one thing, pag nagsasalad ako, ayoko nang masyadong maraming ingredients or vegetable. Gusto ko lang i-enjoy yung meat, and then yung spring mix, and then sometimes I just put a little bit of tomato. Usually hindi na ako naglalagay ng mga cucumber, kung ano-ano pa. So, ayan, ito na yung homemade dressing ko na nilalagay ko sa salad. So, there you are. Here's my chicken salad. Tara, kain po tayo. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. I really appreciate all of you. Bye-bye.